girl, we are finna hook all of this up. So I'm looking at the quick instructions. So it says put this one first. I want to say this goes right here because we follow instructions today. Keyword. Now for the hose. I want to say this part goes right up in there. So let me go ahead and take this off. Struggling hard. Ooh. Ooh, girl. I'm gonna have to cut this off. I don't feel like doing this. But ooh. God is good because we ain't cut ourselves. So it has like this part right here. You just, surgery Sam. This part goes at the top. Just stay knocking stuff over. So I want to say that goes into that part, and then trying to lock it on is gonna be no slim feet, so we don't worry about that later. When I get it, I'll let you know. Just gonna put that on the floor right now. But attaching this hose to this part, girl, it looks easy, but okay, that part was easy. This to this, we good. Now connecting this to big old girthy, that's gonna be a problem because everything else was going so smooth. I'm trying to sit here and figure out, should I press, should I turn? One of those days where it's like I'm reading the instructions and it still don't make no lick of sense. Oh, okay, let me see. I hate to break this, okay, because I'm looking at this part right here and I'm looking at this part right here. Hold on, we in here, got it hooked up. Hold on, your girl was doing this, but it's supposed to go like this.